4 teams to run in Arena 2. And then we're going to go to the short go.
Make sure that hindquarter's in. Get the hindquarter in there more. Shoulder out.
So we're going to put the cattle in this arena and do 4 teams in this arena?
I need one over here too.
Well, I'll give you 2 over here because one's never enough.
Okay.
I don't know if he can do it another direction. Do you think?
Change leads? I don't know. This horse may not change leads. I don't know if that horse will change leads.
I got my wrong hand.
Okay, so Hernado in Arena 2 over there, we should have Kathy and Sheila. And then Brooks and Holly are going to be in Arena 2 after them. And then Jason and Robin Hardy. And then Tom and Robin Hardy. Everybody, the next 4 teams are all going to ride in Arena 2.
Okay. And I'm going to hold the button or just push it?
Just push it until the lights light up.
You can see.
Nine.
Take it over to that white dot and click it. Just hit plus, just one time the plus button.
Right now I got 3 red.
That's right. Click it on your belt.
No time. Okay, this is going to be Brooks and Holly, followed by Jason and Robin Hardy. Tom and Robin be thinking about it.